Dear student, we have discussed in our last lecture about three-dimension close pack arrangement, and one of them it was we are arranging our second layer on the first layer, which is two-dimensional hexagonal close packing, and first layer is our hexagonal close pack. This one is our layer A. Second layer is arranged like this, so it should be layer B. And third layer is repeating like A, and fourth one like B. So here, which type of layer repeats here? AB, AB, AB. So it gives a hexagonal close pack arrangement. An example is magnesium and zinc. Arranges like this. AB, AB type of pattern. So you can see A, B, A, B. Again and again repeats that. So it gives a hexagonal close pack arrangement. Here hexagonal cubic close pack exploded view showing stacking of layer of sphere. એટલે આ જે layers છે એ બતાવેલા છે. Once again, this one first layer. Now second, it's a B. Third one like A. Fourth one like B. So here you can see which type of layer here repeats A, B, A, B. These are 7 sphere. Then after 3, then 7, and once again 3. So which type of layers are repeating here? So AB type of layers are repeating, and it makes a hexagon, exact hexagon like this. 7 sphere makes a hexagon, 3 over it, now 7. So this structure is a hexagonal close pack in 3 dimension. Hexagonal close packing in 3 dimension. We discussed. Now here coordination number. This type of structure, example of this type of structure is magnesium and zinc. We discussed in last lecture. Now what about coordination number? If our hexagonal structure is in 2 dimension, so it directly combined with another 6 sphere in 2 dimension. But in 3 dimension it is 12. How? 3 of upward and 3 of downward. So this sphere, middle one, is attached, surrounded by 6 spheres. So coordination number in same plane 6. 3 above and 3 below to it. So 6 plus 3, 9. This sphere touches 6 plus 3, 9. And 3 of downward of this one. So total coordination number in hexagonal close pack in 3 dimension are 12. Now we are arranging the third layer, something different than A and B. When we arrange this layer A, then after layer B, so it's common in both. This one is a layer. આ પહેલું layer છે. 2-dimensional hexagonal close pack નો first layer છે. This one is the first layer. We are arranging the second layer. So it gives 2 type of voids hole. This one tetrahedral, this one octahedral. Black layer, black sphere having it is the A layer, blue is the B layer. Now third one coming is slightly different than A and B. Here you can see all the octahedral voids will be filled. Like octahedral, પહેલા લેયરના 3, another લેયરના 3, એની વચ્ચેનું voids એટલે octahedral. Let's see coming over it and it close our octahedral voids. It means that 3 type of layers are repeating here. Here layer A and one spheroid B behind over 7. Then third layer is different than A and B. અહીંયા બે સ્ફિયર આગળ છે, એક behind છે, A, B, C. Then once again it repeats A, B, A, B, C, A, B, C, repeats again and again. So it's not making a hexagonal exact geometrical shape. It's not making hexagonal geometrical exact shape. You can see. Here, this one discuss A, B, A, B, A, B, C, A. Yes, this one is the A. You can see. Then after B. Then after C, A, B, C, and once again A. So here 3 layers, A, B, C, A, B, C, A, B, C repeats here. So it makes a cubic close pack, otherwise face centered close pack arrangement. Yes, you can see A, B, A માં 7 sphere છે, B માં 1 spheroid, 2 behind, C માં 2 height, 1 behind છે. We discussed these are 7 sphere. Then after 3, 1 height, 2 behind, here 2 height, 1 behind. Then after it, here ABC, ABC is repeating, and it is a face center close packing arrangement. FCC. How can we say FCC? Everybody knows about FCC structure. In the FCC, sphere are present on the corner of the cube. આ બધા sphere corner ઉપર છે. Then another 6 are on center of the face. So that is called FCC, face centered close pack. Another name of it is CCP, cubic close pack. Here ABC, ABC, ABC layer is repeating. So this cubic close pack structure is called cubic close pack or face center. Or metals such as copper and silver crystallizes in this structure. The example is copper and silver of it. Here also coordination number 12. How it makes FCC? Listen. This one first layer. 1 spheroid, 2 behind. Over it 7. Then third layer, 2 height and 1 behind. A, B and C. Now concentrate on my fingers. My fingers are on corner of the cube. And 3 layers છે. It is clear? All are different. A is different than B, B is different than A and C, C is different than A and B. Arranging after this, my finger is on the corner of the cube. There is one in the face center, you can see. આ 4 સ્ફિયર છે, કોર્નર છે, એના મિડલમાં 1, another face ના મિડલમાં, આ third face ના મિડલમાં, આ fourth face ના. Here also there is one present, here also one present. This is FCC structure. Whenever hexagonal close packing layers ABC repeating, so it's not make a hexagonal, but it makes a FCC structure. Here also coordination number 12, 6, then 3 ahead of it and 3 behind of it. So coordination number in both cases are 12. And packing efficiency. What is packing efficiency? The total space of the cube. How many space is occupied by the sphere? Sphere is lying down on the corners and on the face center. So it occupies space. But there is some vacant space also we discussed. Holes occurs, so 26% space remain empty and 74% space will be filled by spheres. So packing efficiency in both the cases is 74 and coordination number in both are 12. Now come to the next point. Formula of compound and number of voids filled. Earlier in the section we have learned that when particles are close packed, resulting in either CCP or HCP, 2 type of voids are generated. In 3-dimension close packing, which is made from 2-dimension hexagonal close pack arrangement. So when hexagonal close pack layers AB repeats, so it gives a CCP structure. Hexagonal close pack layer ABC repeats, then it gives a CCP. Only AB layer repeats, then it gives a hexagonal close pack structure. So there are 2 type of voids occurs. We discussed once again. Voids occur between 4 sphere, it is called a tetragonal. And voids occur between 6 sphere, it is octahedral. Tetrahedral and octahedral voids occurs there. There are 2 type of voids occurs, tetrahedral and octahedral. While the number of octahedral present in a lattice equal to the number of close packed particles. સ્ફિયર જેટલા હોય એટલા જ octahedral voids હોય છે. એટલે number of octahedral voids are equal to number of spheres, which makes our crystal constituent particles. In ionics, and the tetrahedral voids generated is twice. Octahedral is similar with the sphere, but tetrahedral voids are double. Tetrahedral means 4 sphere ની વચ્ચે જે voids occur થાય tetrahedral છે. તો 3 sphere હોય એની ઉપર એક હોય અને નીચે એટલે ડબલ થઈ જાય. 3 sphere ની ઉપર એક આવે કે નીચે એટલે ડબલ હોય છે. એનું પ્રૂફ આપણે આગળ લેક્ચરમાં જોશું. અત્યારે યાદ રાખો, જેટલા વોઇડ્સ હોય એટલા જ નંબર ઓફ ઓક્ટાહેડ્રલ વોઇડ્સ હોય, પણ ટેટ્રાહેડ્રલ વોઇડ્સ છે એ સ્ફિયર કરતા ડબલ હોય. If our crystal is metallic, so every particles are same in size. So there is a void is vacant. But in the case of ionic compound, if our compound is ionic, so remember negative ion always big in size, where positive ion is small in size. So in the ionic compound, crystal makes formed by the negative ions, not by the positive ion. Crystal is made by negative ions, not by positive ions. So in the vacant space, small size having positive radical will be placed there, will be present there in the void cell. Suppose we are taking zinc sulfide. Here zinc is small in size than sulfide. So 4 sulfide makes a tetrahedral structure, and voids occurs between them. There should be zinc present. Actually tetrahedral voids એટલે 4 સ્ફિયર ની વચ્ચેનો void, એમાં નાનો સાઇઝનો પોઝિટિવ રેડિકલ ફિલઅપ થયેલો હોય છે. બટ 6 હોય, 6 સ્ફિયરની વચ્ચે કોઈ voids હોય તો એ octahedral છે. It is big in size. So actually Na plus is big than zinc. So Na plus is lying in the octahedral voids. It is surrounded by 6 chloride ion. એટલે 6 ક્લોરાઇડ વાળા સ્ફિયરની વચ્ચેનો હોલ્સ છે એમાં big size નો Na plus હોય છે. Now remember, all the octahedral voids and all the tetrahedral voids, it's not necessary to fill up wall. બધા જ ભરાઈ જાય એવું necessary નથી. It depends upon formula of the compound. એ ફોર્મ્યુલાની ઉપર ડિપેન્ડ કરશે, as can see from the following example. Remember, if our lattice is metallic, then there is no any ions. All the metallic atoms are same in size. So there will be vacant space. But whenever ionic compound is given as a crystal, so negative ion is big in size and positive ion is small in size. So negative ion behaves like constituent particles of our crystal, and having smaller size positive ion will be remains in the voids, which should be octahedral or tetrahedral. But remember, all the octahedral and tetrahedral void, it's not necessary to wall fills up. Some of them will be vacant. It depends upon formula of the compound. We are taking some example here. A compound is formed by 2 elements. Compound is formed by 2 elements, X and Y. Atoms of the element Y as anions makes a CCP, and those of the element X as cation occupies all the octahedral voids. So what is the formula of the compound? A compound is made of 2 elements, X and Y. Here Y is the negative ion, X is the positive ion. So Y is our sphere of the crystal, and X will be inside the void cell. Here you can see Y is arranging like a CCP. So here we are assuming, suppose number of atoms of the sphere are n. So octahedral voids, we know octahedral voids, we know it's similar with the sphere. So both are same. So y equal to x. So 1:1. So formula will be xy. પાછું એક વાર કહીએ, એક કમ્પાઉન્ડ ઇઝ ફોર્મ. એક કમ્પાઉન્ડ છે એ બે એલિમેન્ટ થી બનેલું છે, which is formed from two elements. એમાં એલિમેન્ટ y છે એ anion છે, નેગેટિવ આયન છે, અને CCP અરેન્જમેન્ટ ધરાવે છે. એલિમેન્ટ x છે એ કેટાયન, પોઝિટિવ આયન છે. એ ઓક્ટાહેડ્રલ વોઇડ્સ માં બધા octahedral voids fill up થયેલા છે by x cation. So what is the formula? If y is a sphere of the crystal, then octahedral voids will be same of the sphere. તો બધા જ sphere છે એમાં x છે, બધા sphere છે y છે, બધા voids છે octahedral એમાં x છે. તો બે 1:1 છે એટલે x 1 હશે. Suppose y 100 to x 100, a 50 to a 50, the ratio will be 1:1. So the formula xy hase, so it will be xy. Understood? Y is the negative ion. It makes a CCP close pack arrangement. You can see here both type of voids occur. This one tetrahedral, this one octa, and all the octahedral voids is filled up by x plus. તો આપણે ખબર જ છે, we know કે જેટલા સ્ફિયર હોય એટલા જ ઓક્ટાહેડ્રલ, એટલે આ છે સ્ફિયર ઓફ ધી ક્રિસ્ટલ. ક્રિસ્ટલના જેટલા સ્ફિયર હોય ને એટલા જ ઓક્ટાહેડ્રલ વોઇડ્સ હોય. અને કહી દીધું કે બધા all the octahedral voids is occupied by x plus. તો બે સેમ હોય તો જેટલું y છે એટલું x છે, એટલે 1:1 એટલે ફોર્મ્યુલા xy થશે. It is clear? Understood? Now next example. Come to the next example. One point 2. Atoms of element B form hexagonal close packed lattice, and those of the element A occupy 2/3 of tetrahedral voids. What is the formula of the compound formed by the element A and B? Okay. Here B is our spheres. Already given B is making our crystal. It means B is our spheres of the crystal. Sphere of the crystal. A is occupying tetrahedral voids, not this one, but this one. And we know tetrahedral voids is twice than sphere. ગોળા બધા ડબલ હોય, but only 2/3 portion of tetrahedral void, not all the tetrahedral voids. So બધા ઓક્યુપાય થઈ જાય તો આ B છે સ્ફિયર, તો આ ડબલ 2A થાય તો A to B થાય, તેમ નહીં. હવે જે tetrahedral voids છે એનો 2/3 portion ઓક્યુપાઈડ હોય છે, એટલે 2 in એનો 2/3 એટલે 4/3 થશે. સ્ફિયર કરતા ટેટ્રાહેડ્રલ વોઇડ્સ ડબલ હોય. સપોઝ સ્ફિયર n છે તો ટેટ્રાહેડ્રલ વોઇડ્સ ડબલ 2n થાય અને એનો 2/3 percent એટલે 2/3 2n એટલે 4/3n થાય. મીન્સ એટલે a છે એ 4/3 છે, b છે એ 1 છે. So we are taking LCM. So a4 we are multiplying by both sides by 3. So 4a and 3b. So formula is A4B3 is our answer. Once again, atom of element B form hexagonal close pack. એટલે એટમ બી છે એ હેક્સાગોનલ ક્લોઝ પેકના સ્ફિયર છે બધા. એમાં એલિમેન્ટ એ છે એ ટેટ્રાહેડ્રલ વોઇડ્સમાં ઓક્યુપાઇડ છે, બટ 2/3 portion is only occupied. હવે જેટલા સ્ફિયર હોય ને એ બી છે. એટલે સપોઝ n સ્ફિયર છે તો ટેટ્રાહેડ્રલ વોઇડ્સ વી નો ડબલ હોય 2n, પણ એ બધા ટેટ્રાહેડ્રલ વોઇડ્સ છે એમાં એ ઓક્યુપાઇડ નથી. એનો 2/3 portion એટલે 2n નો 2/3, આ n તો આ ડબલ એનો 2/3 એટલે 4/3 થાય. આ 4/3 a થયા અને b 1 થાય. એનો LCM લઈએ so 3 will be cut, so 4a and 3b, so A4B3. Understood? Now, locating tetrahedral and octahedral voids. We know in the hexagonal close pack 3 dimension, otherwise the cubic close pack 3 dimension structure, number of octahedral voids are same with number of sphere of the crystal, and number of tetrahedral voids are double than number of sphere of the crystal. Where hole occurs between 4 sphere, it should be tetrahedral. Hole occurs between 6 sphere, it should be octahedral, we know. Now we are going to locating tetrahedral and octahedral voids in the CCP structure. Both tetrahedral CCP. Now locating tetrahedral voids, we are going to find the tetrahedral voids. Let us consider unit cell of CCP, FCC, both are same. And FCC क्योंकि CCP भी एक ज. The unit cell is divided into 8 small cubes. Yes. Our this unit cell is FCC. It is clear? And we are dividing into 8 parts. Once again, draw with me. We are taking 3 square and leaving more space of a middle one. So you can see our in FCC sphere are present on the corner of the cube, and 6 are on the center of the face. So this one is our face center structure. And this FCC structure we are dividing into 8 parts. So one of them you can see is like this. 8th portion of it is look like this. This one. So here, 4 sphere. 1, 2, 3 and 4. This 4 sphere, when we join by dotted line, so it gives tetrahedral structure, and occupied space between them is a tetrahedral void. એટલે કે આ 4 સ્ફિયર 1, 2, 3 અને 4 એની વચ્ચે જે હોલ ક્રિએટ થાય એને tetrahedral voids કહેવાય. That is the tetrahedral voids. એટલે every 4 sphere contains one tetrahedral voids. Each small cube has atom as alternate corner in all. Each small cube has 4 atoms. When joined to each other, they makes a regular tetrahedron. There is one tetrahedral void in each of one cube. You can see FCC નો one part લીધો, તેમાં 4 ની વચ્ચે middle there is a void. It is a tetrahedral. 8 tetrahedral voids in total. Each of the 8 small cube have one void and one unit cell of CCP structure or FCC. This is called FCC, otherwise CCP, both same. We are calling FCC or CCP both same. In one unit cell there are 8 tetrahedral voids. How can we say this 4 contains one, this 4 another one? This is one part of a cube. And how many parts are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In each part, smallest part contains one tetrahedral voids. So these are 8, number of 8 parts. So every part contains one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Any વચ્ચે 1, બે behind 4, 5, 6, બે behind 7 and 8. Every 4 sphere ની વચ્ચે આ FCC structure છે કે CCP છે. એમાં 8 sphere are on corner and 6 are on face center. એમાં આ જે 4 sphere છે એના middle માં આ 4 sphere alternate હોય sphere. એના મિડલમાં એક વોઇડ્સ આ 1 પાર્ટ છે, તો આવા 8 પાર્ટ છે, તો દરેક પાર્ટમાં એક વોઇડ્સ આવ્યું એટલે ટોટલ નંબર ઓફ octahedral voids are 8. હવે આપણે સ્ફિયર લઈએ. In the FCC we know how many sphere are present there. આ તો વોઇડ્સ થયા. એટલે one FCC unit cell contains 8 voids. Now tell me how many sphere in a one FCC unit cell. So corner having 1/8. How many corners? 8 corner. Every corner possesses 1/8 portion of it of unit cell. So 1/8, 8 times, so it is a 1 sphere. Actually this sphere is not the whole of unit cell. 1/8 portion of is of unit cell. Now on face center, which is occupy 1/2 part. So 1/2 6 times. So total 3. This sphere is not whole of it, but 1/2 portion of it is of unit cell. So 1/2 6 times 3. So total number of sphere is 4 and total number of voids are 8. So here proven that tetrahedral voids are double than number of sphere in the crystal. Now octahedral voids, locating the. We are going to locating the octahedral voids. Now remember, tetrahedral void means voids between four sphere is a tetrahedral, but voids between six sphere it should be octahedral. Let us again consider a unit cell of cubic closed peg or FCC. The body center of the cube C is not occupied, but it is surrounded by 6 atoms on face center. If these face center are joined, an octahedron is generated. Thus, this unit cell has one octahedral void at the body center of the cube. Listen. In the cube, once again, we are taking example of FCC. 3 square we are taking like this. Here 8 sphere are at corners. 6 are on face center. This is FCC, otherwise CCP. You can see voids occur between 6 sphere. It should be octahedral. The 6 sphere ની વચ્ચે જે હોય એ octahedral કહેવાય. So when we join 6 sphere like this, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. આ જે છે hall, it is the octahedral. This hall is surrounded by 6 sphere, so it should be octahedral. It is wall of individual of our unit cell. આ એક આખે આખું પોતાનો હશે hall, which is not participated with others. Now we are talking about other halls, octahedral, which is lying down on the edges, middle of the edges. Edges છે ત્યાં હશે. How? Another unit cell નો અહીંયા sphere અહીંયા હશે. So 1, 2, 3, 4. This one 5 and this one 6. Edges ઉપર અહીંયા hall હશે. It is also surrounded by 6 spheres. So octahedral walls in FCC, it is present in the center of the cube. Yes, it is wall of it, individual પોતાનું, and another octahedral walls are present on the edges, middle of the edges. Why? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 2 of another unit cells. So this actually edges of the unit cell is said by 4 unit cell. Edges is said by 4 unit cell. So edges ઉપર કોઈ sphere હોય, so it should be divided by 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1 by 4 portion of each. 1 by 4, 1 by 4. 1 by 4. આ બધી edges માં 1 by 4 octahedral voids હોય edges ઉપર. 1 by 4 and 1 by 4 12 times. 1 by 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 6 એટલે અહીંયા જે સ્ફિયર છે એની જેમ આખો નથી. આ જે સ્ફિયર છે તો એજીસ ઉપર સ્ફિયર હોય એ 1/4 પોર્શન જ આનો ગણાય. એટલે કોઈ એક સ્ફિયર લઈ એને કટ કરીએ તો 1/2, એને કટ કરીએ તો 1/4 portion occupies here only. એટલે અહીંયા જે ટેટ્રાહેડ્રલ વોઇડ્સ છે એનો 1/4 પોર્શન જ ત્યાં આવશે. તો 1/4 12 times એટલે 3 થાય અને 1 ઇન્ડિવિજ્યુઅલ એટલે ટોટલ 4 ટેટ્રાહેડ્રલ વોઇડ્સ આવ્યા. હવે સ્ફિયર કેટલા છે આપણે ભણી ગયા હમણાં. 8 કોર્નરના થઈને 8 into 1/1 અને ફેસના સેન્ટર ઉપર 3 એટલે સ્ફિયર are 4 and voids are 4. So number of sphere and number of voids both are same in this type of structure. Let us consider a unit cell of CCP. We discussed the figure. The body center of the cube C is not occupied, it is surrounded by 6 atoms on face center in this. એટલે આ જે સેન્ટર છે 1 2 3 4 5 6 સ્ફિયર થી સરાઉન્ડેડ છે. ધેટ ઇઝ ઓક્ટાહેડ્રલ વોઇડ. એ આખું ઇન્ડિવિજ્યુઅલ છે. Beside the body center, there is one octahedral void at the center of each of the 12 edges. Edges 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 edges. But edges is occupied only 1/4 portion of it. 1/4 portion 12 times એટલે 3 થાય અને 1 અહીંયા જે હોલ્સ છે પોતાનું નહીં થાય. એ 4 યુનિટ સેલનું હોય એટલે એનો 1/4 પોર્શન આ વોઇડ્સનો ગણાય. આ 1/4 પોર્શન 12 ટાઈમ એટલે 3e થયા એજીસના સેન્ટર ઉપરના. 1/4 12 ટાઈમ્સ એટલે 3. બોડીના સેન્ટરમાં 1 એટલે ટોટલ 4 વોઇડ્સ થાય અને એટમ્સ પણ 4 છે. હવે જો આપણે બતાવેલું છે આ એજીસના સેન્ટરનું વોઇડ 1 2 3 4 5 અને 6. 1 2 3 4 સેમ યુનિટ સેલના છે. another યુનિટ સેલના હોય એની વચ્ચેનું વોઇડ્સ છે. એટલે એકચ્યુઅલી આ 4 યુનિટ સેલનું પાર્ટિસિપેટેડ છે 1/4 લેવામાં આવે. એટલે નંબર ઓફ વોઇડ્સ એન્ડ નંબર ઓફ octahedral voids and number of sphere are same in FCC structure. Thus, in cubic close-packed structure, octahedral voids at the body center of the cube is 1 and 12 of edges, it is 1/4, so 3. So, total number of octahedral voids are 4. And we know that CCP structure, each unit cell has 4 atoms, 4 sphere. The sphere and voids are same. It is proven here. Now, we are going to definition of packing efficiency. Yes, what is packing efficiency? In whatever way the constituent particle, atoms, molecules or ions are packed, there is always some free space in the form of voids. Packing efficiency is the percentage of total space filled by the particles. Let us calculate the packing efficiency in the different type of structures. First, what is packing efficiency? When we take any cube, so it has a breadth, length and height. If it is cube, so all are same. So your volume will be A into A into A. It should be a cube. Any cube when we take, so it has particular volume. And volume in 3 dimensions will be length into breadth into height. But when we arrange a sphere into it, so some vacant space occur there. So actual occupied space by sphere and total volume of the cube. That ratio is called the packing efficiency. એટલે total volume of the cube, એમાં how many volume is occupied by the sphere, that is called the packing efficiency. Now we will discuss about it in our next lecture. Goodbye and Jai Hind. We will meet in our next lecture tomorrow.